We make 125 different parts every month, and it may be the widest range available in die casting. The criticalities perspective is that all parts should be leak tested. There are technical tolerances in a component. So one component which goes on Tata 5 liter new generation engine, in that water pump housing we have to maintain the bore diameter within a tolerance and concentricity of 10 microns, which is very difficult to achieve. So we also maintain parallelism within 50 microns. So these are challenging parts, and we are making it rightly, first time right. In last 8 years, we are fortunate to have 25 valuable customers, in which major customers are Tata Motors, Mahindra, Fiat, then recently we added Bajaj Auto also. As far as Aakar is concerned, we don't have any European machine in our company. We are very happy that in our tool room all machines used are BFW only.